In front of me is Realme C15, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So let's open the phone gallery first, and now we will enter the first code, which is *#800#. And as you can see, now we are in feedback mode, so here you can report some problems, some issues that you experience with your features. So if you have some problem with GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi network, or whichever feature is included here, just mark it, and then you can submit the problem to your Realme team. And then they will know that something is not okay. You can also send them some suggestions. You can record the screen and show how it is not working and what is your issue about. So that would be all for the first code. If you have some troubles while using your device, this is the perfect option to use. So that would be all for the first one. Another code that we can use is *888#. And here we've got the engineering mode, so smoothly use another device and scan this QR code, so you will be able to detect more information. So that will be all for this one. And another code that you can use is software information, and the code for that is *#6776#. Here it is. So as you can see, now you can read model, Android version, kernel, master date version, and so on. Here you've got all the info. And then you can enter *#225#. And here you will notice the calendar info, so all events, celebrations, important dates, and any other data that you've got in your calendar will be stored in one place. From now on, you will not forget about any important event, as everything will be stored right here. And another code that we will enter is *426#. And as you can see here, we've got the diagnostic mode where you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to open advanced view, just tap on more icon and select advanced view. As you can see here, you've got way more details. And finally, the last code, the shortest one, and also I think one of the most common used, it is *06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique IMEI numbers assigned to your Realme C15. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.